I think the best thing about Asian skincare is how affordable it is. So I put together some of my favorite products into a routine for you guys just to show you how affordable it really can be to start your own skincare routine. So if you guys like affordable skincare products, give this video a big thumbs up and let's get started. So for your oil cleanser, I recommend the Face Shop Rice Water Light Oil. This stuff is really great for breaking down makeup and sunscreen and eye makeup. And what's so great about it is it's actually a light oil, so it's not greasy or heavy on the skin. It doesn't leave a lot of residue after you've washed it away, and it really picks up makeup like a champ. So for your second cleanse, I really recommend CosRx Good Morning Low pH Cleanser, a long name cleanser. This stuff is really great. It's got a little bit of tea tree oil in it, so it's really great for those of us with congested pores, acne, things like that. This is going to help break down all of the remaining residue on your face. It's great for the morning as well. This is a low pH cleanser, which means that this is very gentle and non-stripping on the skin. If you need an effective and inexpensive eye cream, look no further than the Mizon Snail Repair Eye Cream. This stuff is fantastic. This really plumps the under eye area and it really fills in those like little lines that you get when your eyes are really dry underneath. So it just plumps and firms the under eye, really moisturizes. This is a fantastic eye cream. This is about $12 on Amazon. I believe that everybody should have some type of snail step somewhere in their routine, and I really like this CosRx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Long name again. This stuff is great. It's a little closer to the ceiling of our budget, which is about $20. I've seen this between $17 and $20, which sounds like a lot of money. However, this whole bottle will last you 6 to 7 months. So with other snail essences where you would pay maybe $12 to $15, you would have to repurchase it in 3 months. You could save yourself some money and just get this guy. It's super effective. Snail is so good at hydrating, but it's really lightweight. It's not heavy on the skin. It's great for wrinkles. It's great to reduce redness. It helps reduce irritation. It helps heal acne. Who doesn't need this stuff, right? It's so great. I believe everybody should have some type of brightening product in their routine just to even out the skin tone and give them that glow. I love the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% serum for that purpose. This is so great at giving you that really glowing from within look. It really evens out the skin tone. It addresses any dark marks you might have after acne, and it also helps with sun damage. Now, if you have dry or dehydrated skin, I would recommend throwing in another hydrating product, and I really like this Mizon Original Skin Energy Hyaluronic Acid 100 Serum. This stuff is really great just to give your skin that extra boost of moisture. You may need this if you're very dry or dehydrated, or if it's a dry time like winter. This is a great guy to add bonus into your routine just to give you that extra boost of moisture. It's important to perform some type of chemical exfoliation a couple times a month just to keep your skin looking fresh and even. I really like this AHA 30% peeling solution from The Ordinary. This stuff is very, very strong, but it's still gentle at the same time. For a 30% AHA solution, this is still very gentle. Now, what I like about AHA is this helps to exfoliate the top layer of your skin. So this is going to help slough away the dead skin cells that are sitting on top of your skin. It's going to help with things like blackheads, and it's also going to help lighten any dark marks and lighten any sun damage that you have as well. So you have to seal in all those layers with a cream, and I really like the Hado Labo Gokujun Hyaluronic Cream. This stuff is super lightweight. It's not heavy on the skin. It really allows your skin to breathe, but it's super moisturizing. It's got so much moisture packed into it, but it is not heavy on the skin. It's great for you oily skin types, great for dehydrated skin types. I really like this cream a lot. I believe everybody should have a sleeping pack in their arsenal to pull out on those days when you really want to have a glow. And I am really obsessed with these Etude House Bubble Tea Sleeping Packs. These are so stinking cute, aren't they? Their little tea packaging and the boba balls that are inside, it's so adorable. And with a lot of adorable products, sometimes they don't work really well, but guys, this stuff really delivers. This applies so nice and thin and lightweight. It dries down pretty fast for a sleeping pack, so you don't get that sticky feeling where your hair gets stuck to your face or your face gets stuck to your pillowcase. This dries down pretty fast and it's super effective. I know the morning after I've used it, I can tell because my face is just like smooth and glowing, like there's a filter, like an invisible filter on my skin, because it just looks so good. This stuff is, I love this stuff so much. They have a bunch of different kinds, but my favorite is the green tea. So I hope you guys like that little routine that I put together for you. If you're interested in any of those products, I've got everything linked in the info box for you guys below. Let me know in the comment box what's your favorite affordable skincare product. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that red subscribe button so you never miss the next time that I upload. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. I really like the Hado Labo Gokujan pronunciation.